Here's a summary of our blog. What is an asset register, and what are the benefits of maintaining asset registers? An asset register is a comprehensive record-keeping system that tracks and manages an organization's physical, financial, and non-financial assets. Maintaining an up-to-date asset register has become essential for organizations of all sizes in today's fast-paced business environment. It provides detailed information about the assets, such as their location, condition, and value. By maintaining an asset register, organizations can enjoy various benefits. 1. It allows for accurate financial reporting by enabling precise depreciation calculations. 2. It ensures compliance with regulations requiring businesses to track their fixed assets. 3. It facilitates better asset management by providing insights into asset location, condition, and value, optimizing asset utilization and reducing risks. Additionally, maintaining an asset register helps improve maintenance practices by allowing businesses to track maintenance schedules and ensure assets remain in good condition, thus extending their useful life. It also enables cost savings by identifying redundant or underutilized assets that can be sold or disposed of, reducing storage and maintenance costs. There are various asset registers, including financial asset registers, fixed asset registers, IT asset registers, property asset registers, consumable asset registers, and intellectual property asset registers. Each type serves a specific purpose based on the nature of the assets being managed. In conclusion, maintaining an accurate and up-to-date asset register is crucial for effective asset management. It provides organizations with the necessary information to make informed decisions, minimize risks of loss or theft, ensure compliance, and optimize asset utilization. By investing in an efficient asset register solution, businesses can enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve overall asset management.